Say something. Say, my name is AJ Gracia.
My name is AJ Gracia.
How old are you?
2.
2, that's it? You're big for 2. Show me your muscles. Do a flip for me. Do a flip. I want you to do a flip and then stand up like a ninja. Go.
I'm going to play.
You do a flip, go. Hurry up. Do a flip.
I'm going to play.
We'll do another one, stand up like a ninja. Go. Go. Go.
Aaron Rodgers is the very first Super Bowl quarterback to have gone through community college to get into the game at a collegiate level and then all the way to a championship podium here at the Super Bowl. What are your thoughts on this, Aaron? I can't even hear you. What are your thoughts on this? I mean, this is it's a special night. Not only the players, but the fans. And we're taking the Lombardi Trophy back to Titletown. And your journey that you reached right here tonight, Aaron, I mean, have you taken a moment at all in the last half hour or so to just pause and reflect on what you have gone through as a quarterback, as a competitor to get to this point? I haven't quite had the time yet, but I think once again the locker room and take the time.
Who's that on TV?
It'll start to set in that this is, the end.
That's Aaron Rodgers.
One end point of an amazing journey.
Say his name.
I'm just so blessed
What's his name?
with a great organization behind me, incredible team to work with, great group of men, so much character in that locker room. I hope this